okay.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too. Is this what timeout looks like?
Yes, a jumper thingy that makes us jump on our hand to get alleys.
Really? Happy timeout.
Yes. It's fun.
I'm gonna have to find a new place to put you for timeout, aren't I?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. One where you can't play and flop.
Yeah. We like playing flopping.
You like playing in timeout?
Yeah. We like playing flopping and timeout.
Uh-huh.
Mama,
You guys are hilarious.
Mama, when you flop your head, you do this with your feet and arms and hands. It makes a snow angel.